Hello everyone. Welcome to another episode of Logo Design. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to design a modern S-letter logo. Make sure to watch until the end of the video and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and ask me anything in the comment section. So let's get started. Select the Line Segment tool. Hold Shift and draw a line from here. And select a stroke color. Now select this. Hold Alt and drag to create a copy. Now select these two lines. Hold Alt and copy. And place it like this. Okay, after that, select the Line Segment tool. Hold Alt and Shift and draw a line from here. Now select this. Hold Alt and copy. And place it like this. Again select the Line Segment tool. And draw a line from this to this corner. Like this. Okay, after that, select the Ellipse tool. Hold Shift and draw a circle from here. And intersect with this line. One more from this corner. Press Ctrl+Y and check carefully if one intersects with the other. Again press Ctrl+Y for the back. Okay, after that, select this. Hold Alt and drag to create a copy. And place it in the center of this circle. One more intersects with this circle. And one more center of this circle. Perfect. After that, select the Line Segment tool. Hold Alt and draw a line from here. Now, select this. Hold Alt and copy, and place it like this. One more here. And one more, place it into this side. Make sure, if one intersects with the others. After that, select this circle. Press Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+F to front paste. Hold Shift and make some small. And intersect with this line. Now select this. Hold Alt and copy, and place it here. And intersect with this circle. Like this. Press Ctrl+Y and look carefully if one intersects with the others. Press Ctrl plus Y to back. OK, after that, select all. And go to the Shape Builder tool. And change it to fill color. Now, click and drag to join these parts. Join every small part carefully. OK, after that, hold Shift and select every parts. And drag it out. Select these extra parts and press Delete. OK, our logo design is almost complete. Now we need to apply some color to this logo. OK, now select this. With the eyedropper tool, pick this color. Select this, press I on the eyedropper tool, and pick this color. Do this all in the same way. OK, after that, select the pen tool. And draw a rounded line here like this. And change it to a stroke color. Hold Shift and select this shape and this line. And go to the Pathfinder. Divide. Right-click on the mouse and ungroup. Now select this. Press Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus F. After that, select this part and pick this color. Select this. And this color. OK, our logo design is complete. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then definitely don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.